Hello guys, review compact tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab 8 A8. This version 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. Open box. For completion. Device. Metal body with plastic. Main camera 8 megapixels. Buttons on the right side. Left side slot, Type-C port, speaker and headphones jack on the downside. Graphite color, okay. And look completion. Completion poor. We have only cable Type-C to Type-C and a key for SIM slot. Okay. Turn on device. We have HD resolution display. Open settings, about tablet. We have Android 13 version 1 UI 5.1.1. Open Geekbench 6, talk about system information. We have CPU Helio G99, octa-core processor 6 plus 2 cores, and GPU Mali G57. Look results. Look into the benchmark results and open PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level, okay, and works good. Close this. Camera, we have 8 megapixels main camera, front camera 2 megapixels. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.